Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor and filter in your Dyson DC52 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson DC52 from the mains to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you access to the motor housing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the motor. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the motor area. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert advice at your fingertips. Next, disconnect the motor wires. Carefully pull the connectors apart, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Once the wires are disconnected, you can remove the motor by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. With the motor removed, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually situated near the motor housing. Remove the old filter and replace it with a new one, ensuring it fits snugly in place. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal suction and performance. Before installing the new motor, check the motor housing for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, position the new motor into the housing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the motor wires, ensuring they are firmly attached. It's important to double-check that all connections are secure to avoid any issues later on. Once the motor is in place, replace the motor cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is tightened properly to prevent any rattling during operation. Now, reattach the dust canister. Ensure it clicks into place securely. At this point, it's a good idea to give your vacuum a thorough internal clean. Use a soft brush to remove any dust from the interior components. If you find this process too tricky or time-consuming, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without the hassle of travel. Finally, plug your Dyson DC52 back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. Your Dyson DC52 is now ready to tackle any cleaning task with its new motor and filter. Thank you for following along with this guide. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.